Hey guys, in the last video we set up our application and we integrated some of the Kickstart template. What I want to do now is make sure that this stuff isn't just placed in the layout file. It needs to go, this here is going to be the main view, so whatever view we're looking at. And then I want to have what's called partials, which are just pieces of templates. I want a partial for the student login, and I want a partial for these classes. Alright, so what we need to do is, let's get the main part of the template first, which is going to be here to here. Okay, very simple. So I'm going to cut that, and then I'm going to put back these three curly brace body variable. Okay, we'll save that, and now if we reload, you can see that that part is gone, but the index test is showing. So let's open up index. Actually, we already have it open, and we want to just place that in there, save, and there we go. Alright, so this is now coming from index.handlebars. Okay, so for the login, what we need to do here is we need to create a new folder. Let's go to views and do a new folder, and this is going to be called partials. Alright, and we can create a new file, and let's call this login.handlebars. Whoops, I didn't save it, so let's go ahead and save it as login.handlebars. Alright, and I'm going to put another file in there and save that as classes.handlebars. Alright, so for the login, let's go to the layout, and I'm going to grab from here to here, cut that out, and what I'm going to do is do a double curly brace, and we want this this greater than sign, and then the name of the partial. Okay, you don't need to have the dot handlebars, just the name. So we'll save that and then go to login, and just so we know that everything's working, let's just do a quick test. Alright, so you can see that that is working. Now we can just paste the form in here. Okay, and there we go. So for the classes, same thing. We want to grab from here. Where's this end? This ends here, correct? Yeah, so we'll just grab these, cut, and then again we're just going to include classes. Okay, save that. Let's paste these classes in, save that, and there we go. I'm just going to change this text up here, and I just want a link to sign up. Alright, so we want index.handlebars, and I'm just going to change out this text. Okay, and then after that we need a link, so a class equals button href, and this is going to go to slash sign up, I guess. Yeah, actually no, we want it's users sign up. Okay, it's not going to work yet, but that's what it will be. Say sign up free, and then we'll say you need to register. You need to register, or you need to sign up to register for free classes. Okay. Alright, so that looks good. Now, let's insert, or let's create some classes so that we can make this dynamic. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the Mongo shell, let's say db dot classes dot insert. All right, we're going to pass in an object. So let's do a title. We'll say HTML 101. All right, and we'll have a description. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy this here. And we'll just paste that in. Oh, looks like I have the quotes messed up. All right, so description. Let's see, we also want instructor. Okay, instructor, and we'll just say me. All right, now this collection will also have the class lessons, but I'm not going to insert those now. So this is good for now. All right, and let's put another one in here. We'll change the instructor to John Doe. I'm just going to keep the same description. And then we'll change the title. Let's say Intro to PHP. All right, so now we can say db.classes.find, and then to make it a little better, we can do .pretty. And there we go. There's our two classes. And you'll notice that an object ID was also automatically inserted. All right. So now what we need to do is get those to show right here. All right. So these are in this partial. So we need to go to the index route. All right. And basically what we need to do is we're rendering the index template, which is what we want. But we need to make, we need to get the classes, and in order to do that, we need a model. All right, so we need to create a new folder in the root directory and call it models. All right, now first model is going to be called, save it as class.js. Okay, it should be singular. So the first thing we need to do here is include mongoose. Okay, require mongoose. All right, and then we need to create the class schema. Okay, so we'll say variable class schema is equal to mongoose.schema. We've done this before. All right, and then in here, need some curly braces, and we'll say title, and we'll give that a type, and the type will be string. Okay, we also want description. All right, and that will also be a string. And we want instructor. Instructor type is string. All right, we actually need one more. We need to define the lessons. Okay, so lessons. Lessons is going to be an array of objects. All right, so we want a lesson number. All right, and that will be, it'll have a type of number. All right, and then we'll have a lesson title. Okay, and that will be a string.